A 68-year-old billionaire just stood in front of his shareholders and said that calling AI a bubble is, and I quote, blasphemy. Then he casually mentioned he's building robots that make other robots. Normal Wednesday energy. This is Masayoshi Son, the CEO of SoftBank, one of the most aggressive AI investors on the planet. He bet $100 billion on OpenAI through Project Stargate. He survived the dot-com crash, the COVID crash, and a WeWork-sized crater. Today, at SoftBank's annual meeting in Tokyo, he went full supervillain origin story. Son told shareholders that AI is just the beginning and that its potential will be unlocked. Cool, standard CEO stuff. But then he revealed that SoftBank has started manufacturing robots at what he called a physical AI plant, and that robots are building the robots. I think we're the first in the world to have robots manufacturing robots at scale, he said. A full announcement is coming soon. He also said he wants to buy into Tokyo Electric Power, Japan's biggest utility, to bring AI data centers to Japan, because apparently one country's power grid isn't enough. Oh, and he shared his retirement plan. There isn't one. Son says he'll keep leading SoftBank into his 70s to achieve artificial superintelligence, which he defines as AI that's 10,000 times smarter than a human. He also compared SoftBank to a golden egg-laying goose and complained that the market doesn't appreciate him enough. His company's market cap is $229 billion. His assets total $460 billion. How long do I have to fight to convince you the goose did a good job? While Wall Street is freaking out about an AI bubble, the Kospi dropped 10% yesterday. Samsung fell 12%. Son is doubling, tripling, and quadrupling down. Robots building robots isn't science fiction anymore. It's a factory floor in Japan. Whether this is genius or madness, we're about to find out very soon. The guy who lost $70 billion in the dot-com crash and still came back swinging just called you a blasphemer for doubting AI. Respect the conviction, if nothing else. Is AI a bubble or is Son right? Fight it out in the comments. Like and subscribe before the robots do.